Okay, first you need to restart your graphic driver. You have to press Ctrl Shift plus Windows and B simultaneously to reset the graphic driver. Once it is done, you can press Ctrl Alt plus Delete on your keyboard to get the task manager. Once it is open, you have to scroll down all the way down and tap on Windows Explorer option, tap on Restart. Ensure all the cables are properly connected to your both PC and monitor. So you can try to different cable or monitor if it is possible. Then after you can perform a hard reset by turn off your PC completely, unplug your power cable, disconnect all the USB and other peripherals, hold the power button for 15 to 20 seconds to drain remaining power, reconnect and restart your PC. Then after, you can force shut down your PC 2 to 3 times to boot into the Windows recovery environment. Once you are there, you can select Troubleshoot option, then after Advanced option, then after Startup setting and Restart option. Once it is restart, you have to press 4 key or F4 key to enter the safe mode. Once you are in the safe mode, right click on the Start menu, go to Device Manager, double tap on Display Adapters, right click on your driver, tap on Update Driver and tap on Search Automatically for Drivers. If it is not working, close this one, right click on it, tap on Uninstall Device, tick this one, tap on Uninstall and restart your computer. And finally you can right click on it, Properties, go to Driver option. If it is available, you can press Rollback Driver option. Other than that, you can again come to the Windows recovery environment by force shutdown 2 to 3 times in your computer. Then after tap on Troubleshoot option, go to Advanced option and finally go to Startup Repair. This will repair the startup related issues. And as the final step, you can unplug all the RAM card and graphic card kind of thing and clean them. Then after reset again. So these are the methods you can try to fix your Windows black screen issue. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.